No. So units and measurements. Now today class 2 is going on. Now last class I discussed about the types of fundamental quantities. How many fundamental quantities are there, and how many derived quantities are there. Derived quantities n number are there. So only we talk about the fundamental quantities. So how many fundamental quantities are there? There are 7 in there. And what are there? Mass, length, time, temperature, current, or electricity, luminous intensity, or illumination, or brightness, and the last one you can say substance or mode. We discussed about it, and also two supplementary quantities are there: plane angle and solid angle. From that also I have given that question came 2022. Now which of the following, that is called plane angle and solid angle, is having no units, no dimensions, units, no dimensions, no units, and what you call no units is there, dimensions like this. So finally which is the correct? Units are there, no dimensions. Okay, let me discuss. Now coming to the, so in plane angle, right, plane angle. So in supplementary quantities, plane angle definition, right. What is the meaning of plane angle? Radian, right. Radian. I'll have to write radian. Symbol is rad. So here now. So definition. So before going to definition, where the radian is defined. So you take a circle. Which is having a radius r. This is the center of circle, it is r. You take an arc length which is equal to radius. You take an arc length. So AB is an arc length which should be equal to radius. So AB is the length of the arc, that is equal to radius, and both are equal. I drop a line, and if we join this another thing, another radius, so with that this is also r. So this angle is called radian, rad. So all three are equal. All three are equal, but angles are not equal. Why? Because this is arc length, scalar quantity. But if it is supposed to be, it is a AB vector, is the length, which is not equal to length of the arc, which is not equal to length of the arc. If it is AB vector is equal to AB, then it becomes equilateral angle. When it becomes equilateral angle, the angle must be 60 degrees. Everybody knows it, but it is not 60 because that AB vector is less than AB vector arc. The length of the length is less than arc length. So arc length. AB is AB vector. Straight distance, straight length is less than arc length. So that's why it is not equilateral angle. Now that write the definition. The angle subtended by the length of the length of the arc, the length of the an arc is equal to radius at the center of a circle is called radian or rad. So is called radian. Okay. Now coming to, now we can say theta is equal to length of the arc. I can say AB arc. I'll put an arc symbol and a radius. So that is equal to, I can write L by R. It is equal to, write it as L by R is equal to, now we cancel equal, that is equal to rad, 1 rad. Now we already know that 2 pi radian, that is it makes a circle. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degrees. Pi rad is equal to 360 by to that is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. So that is equal to 180, that is equal to 180 degree divided by 22 by 7, that is equal to 180 degree into 7 by 22. 7 by 22. Okay. Now we are going to simplify the value. We are going to simplify the value, that is, now we are going to get, so that is equal to 57 degree 17 minute and 45 seconds. So this is approximately, this is called 1 rad. 1 rad put in a box. Now it is approximately 57 degree 18 minute. Okay, 1 rad is equal. Now still I am going to be reducing. So 57.29 degree. That is still approximately 57.3 degree. So 1 rad complete in degree form notation is the 57.3 degree. Okay. Now okay, very good, well and good. Now you people know this is you have to remember it. Now you might see that angular velocity. What is the angular velocity? Right? Relation between angular velocity omega and linear velocity v. So this will be useful in system of particle rotated motion, what you call moving charges of magnetism, and EMI and AC circuits, and also current electricity. It is more useful and at different places also. Okay. Now coming to the relation, what I am going to get there. So angular velocity and linear velocity. So what is the angular velocity? Omega is equal to theta by t. Omega is equal to theta by t. So therefore, theta is equal to, what is the theta formula? Length of the arc by radius, just now only seen. Now substitute it here. So L by R divided by T. Now make it to L by R into 1 by T. So length by distance or this is length by time t gives you velocity, that is equal to V by R. So this is got length by time gives you velocity. Now you can write omega is equal to what you got? Omega is equal to V by R. Put in a box. R V is equal to R omega. This is the most important and useful for this one. Okay, V is equal to R omega. Well and good. Now coming to, now we see the, what we call to say this one, beta. Okay? Understood? Right. Next continuation. Right. So for the complete one revolution, you can take omega is equal to 2 pi by t, that is equal to 2 pi into 1 by t called frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi f or 2 pi mu. 2 pi mu frequency. 2 pi mu. Understood? Now it might be generally we are going to say simple pendulum. In simple pendulum, time period t is equal to in simple pendulum or in simple harmonic motion, t is equal to 2 pi square root of L by G. So 2 pi square root of L by G. So here L is the length of the pendulum. L is the length of the pendulum. This is the bob. This is the length of the pendulum. So G is the acceleration due to gravity. G is the acceleration due to gravity and mass also there. Now, but where is it going to be simple pendulum oscillating? It is oscillating in a plane. It is oscillating in a plane. So simple pendulum is oscillating in a plane. So sum of the angles in a plane, the sum of the angles in a plane is 2 pi radian. So this is the plane, xy plane. You take the board, x axis, y axis, 90, 90, 90, 90. So how many degrees? 360 degrees. So that means, so 360 degrees is nothing but what? 2 pi rad. So where should be the simple pendulum is oscillating? In a plane, xy plane. That means this 2 pi is nothing but what? Radians. That means pendulum is oscillating in a plane only. That angle you are writing. You should not write 3 pi, 4 pi. You should not write, because pendulum is oscillating in a plane. Which plane? No, xy plane. If you take any plane that is a two-dimensional, the angle should be 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Understood? Very good. Now go to the next one. Next one, solid angle steradian. Solid angle steradian. Right, all of you? Steradian. Completed, all of you? Right. Go to take steradian. Please write steradian. SR. Right. Short form. SR or full name is steradian. Steradian. Bracket SR. Symbol is short form is SR. So before writing the definition, how the definition is derived, from where we will get, I will now try to do it. Take a solid sphere. Take a solid sphere. Take a solid sphere and cut 1 square meter. So which I am going to cut a piece that's pretty equal to 1 square meter area of this. So this piece is now trying to remove it. All of understanding now? I cut 1 square meter area. This area is how much? 1 square meter. Meter square. 1 meter square area. Now this is the center. This is the radius of this square. The square of the radius r square is equal to 1 meter square. So that means what? This r square and square meter cross section both are equal. So this fellow and this fellow. So now this also same r square of the radius, that is also 1 meter square. So this angle made is called a d-ohm. The angle is called d-ohm. It is called steradian. All are equal. So now all are equal. Now we are going to say, so this is equal. This is also equal, this is also equal. That means we cut it off. Now this is the center. Now what I mean now, you can write a definition. Write a definition all I can. The angle subtended by, the angle, all of you please write, the angle subtended by 1 square meter area of cross section, 1 square meter area of cross section of a solid sphere is equal to square of the radius at the center of the sphere is called steradian. Is called steradian. Right, sir. So now the angle structure we call it DO is equal to area. That is, I can take it as dA by R square. So both are equal. Now I will say 1 SR. Sorry. Now I have to find the total angle of this. To find total angle. Okay, sir. To find this total solid angle. Now, to find total solid angle. Solid angle. So we call ohm. So d ohm is equal to area by small area by R square. What is the area of this sphere? Area of sphere A is equal to 4 pi R square. All of you knows 4 pi R square. What is the area of circle? Circle, I can put C. I can put S. Okay. That is equal to pi R square in terms of radius, in terms of diameter, pi by 4 d square. So what is the volume of this sphere? Volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi R2. Now coming to this one. So area of this sphere is how much? So d ohm is equal to total area 4 pi R square by small r square. Suppose if R is equal to R, then what is going to happen? Then total angle ohm is equal to 4 pi SR. 4 pi SR. So now I'll write. Please see all of you. Total angle ohm is equal to solid angle is equal to 4 pi SR in terms of radian 4 pi rad in terms of degrees. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. So that is 720 degrees. 720 degrees. This is the, you have to remember all of you in terms of degrees. Okay, now. Okay, this 4 pi where are you using? So 4 pi usually there are not. 2 pi just now seen, and 4 pi also you are going to see. What the 4 pi are going to use? Let them to see here. So the force of attraction between two magnets. The force of attraction or repulsion. Attraction or repulsion between two magnets. Repulsion between, you know this formula, between two magnets. Two magnets. So what is the formula? This is the magnets of, this is a magnet of pole strengths M1, this is also M1, and another magnet of pole strength M2, and the distance between that is called North pole or South pole. You can take this is M2 means this is also M2. How do you know the distance between them? Let them say D or R. Now what the formula you are going to write? What formula you are writing? All of you know this formula. F is equal to mu naught QR by 4 pi into M1, M2. These are not masses, pole strengths. What is the unit of pole strength? All of you? Ampere meter. M is ampere meter or Weber. ampere meter or Weber. That's why. What is this? What is the meaning of 4 pi? Because of solid. Magnet is a solid. So that's why you are using 4 pi. We should not use 2 pi. It is not a plane. Which are taking the force of two bodies. It is not moving. It is not rotating. It is not moving to and fro. So that's why. So solid angle is 4. Now I will give you a small example. So pen is there. The pen is a solid or not? How do you know? So this, if you take the front view, this is circle 360 and also back side there 360. 360 plus 360, 720. 720 is solid. Now my point is, board is a solid or not. I am seeing a front view plane. This is how much? 99, 360. But I can see the back of this also. So I can see back side. So when I went to see the back of also, that is 360 to 720. Myself is a solid. So front view 360 and back also I can see. So that means I can do it. So that's it. So that means 720. Now cell phone last I can do. Everyone knows because physics every day we are seeing but we don't know the big issue. Biggest issue and biggest problem in the world is daily we are seeing but we don't know. So sir, physics difficult. Who said physics difficult? So physics never becomes difficult. Physics is not difficult. It is the easiest subject which I can make also. I can show also. Front view 360 front side and I can see the back also 360. That will become a solid. Otherwise it is not a solid. Now suppose for example I will draw a diagram. 2-dimensional diagram. Just you can see it is solid and everything here itself you can see. So this is the diagram which I have taken a what you want to say square. I will see this side. Is it possible to see back of this one square? No. That's why it is a plane. It is a plane. So plane means what? 360 degree or 2 pi rad. Understood? Now that. Okay.